Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to change your phone number in Duo Mobile. So if you've changed your mobile number, then just follow along. Your phone number is usually managed by the website or organization that uses Duo, not inside the Duo Mobile app itself. So first you need to sign into your account and open your security or account settings. Then look for the section where your registered phone number or Duo device is listed. Then update your phone number if the option is available. And if your organization manages Duo accounts, you will need to contact your IT administrator to update your registered phone number. And after updating the number, you need to test your login to make sure Duo authentication still works correctly. So that was how to change your phone number in Duo Mobile. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful